Our contestant number 4 for today's contest is Anil Garg. Anil Garg, unleash the potential. Unleash the potential, Anil Garg.
Do you feel stuck in your professional life? If you feel so, please raise your hand. Thank you. Good morning, contest chair, judges, and fellow Toastmaster. What do you think? What could be the reason of feeling stuck? Well, it's our mindset. It's our mindset which does not allow us to put efforts to change according to need of time. We all must be aware about the story of Kodak. Kodak was once pioneer in film photography. During the transition from film photography to digital photography, they did not recognize the necessity of change, and therefore they doomed. On the contrary to this, Maruti Suzuki recognized the necessity of change and they thrived in the car market. We all know Maruti Suzuki introduced Nexa brand. This brand was specially introduced to cater the premium customer segment, and they not only survived but they thrived. Ladies and gentlemen, I also suffered in my professional life to ignore the change. I still remember 4 years back in my office, there was someone who senior management was looking for someone who can guide the team technically. They invite me, explain me the situation, and they were expecting me to help them out. It was very good opportunity for me to establish good rapport with the senior management. I believe you all would agree. If senior management is called you, definitely there is something for you in return. But guys, I lost the opportunity by refusing that offer. Now, you can think if I grab that opportunity, definitely my career trajectory would be different, tangible. I learned the lesson hard way. I recognize the importance of accepting the change. Believe me, it was really painful, and I am still living that pain, even after 4 years. But the good part is, I learned the lessons. I would have been star, but you can't do that. Now, guys, we all understand change is a part of our life. It's very much part of our life. If we look back and see past 100 years, change always brought betterment to human life. If we talk about industrial revolution, if we talk about computerization or digitization, it worked well. It's a wonderful. So whosoever adapt the change, so they are thriving. Now, the question here is, what is the reason why we are resisting ourselves for the change? It's only the two things. We don't want to put efforts. We want to remain in our comfort zone. Now, if I talk about technology advancement, so technology advancement, robotic and AI, people are perceiving these technology advancement as a threat to their jobs. They are projecting this technology advancement will replace human being with machine. Guys, are you agreeing with this? If you see, people were having similar apprehension at the computerization, when the computerization happened, which later turned out to be wrong. We all know it helped a lot of jobs, opportunity got created post computerization. So now guys, the question here is, which you have to ask yourself, are you ready for change? Now, I would say first of all, it all depends on the lens on which you are looking at the change. So if you are wearing a victim lens, definitely you will not able to survive. But if you are looking at change by wearing player lens, you not only survive but thrive. Let me share 3 things with you which may help you to thrive. The first, keep aside 30 minutes every day to work on your professional front. Second, network with the people who are expert in your professional area. Third, join seminar once in a quarter to make yourself aware about the industry trend. So guys, it's all up to you whether you want to embrace the change and unleash your potential. Over to you, contestant.